Hi, I'm Crystal, group fitness instructor at the Peak, and today we're going to talk about the glute bridge. So what you want to do is lie on your floor or your mat, and you don't want to have your feet too far out or too far in. You want to find a good inline position between the ankle and the knee. Toes are nice and light. What you're going to do is nice loose arms, press yourself up through the heels and contract your glutes on the way up, trying to make a nice straight line, and then back down with control. Just tap at the bottom and back up through the heels, contracting your glutes all the way to the top, pressing your hips to the ceiling and back down. And that's the glute bridge.